Good morning, class. We are discussing about the social responsibility of business towards different interest groups. Today, we are going to discuss responsibility towards the community. What are the responsibility of the business towards the community? So, first responsibility of the business towards the community is to protect the environment from all type of pollution. There are different type of pollution like air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. It is the responsibility of business that if there is any type of pollution due to industry or any other work, then that pollution should be kept away from the community. If industry is throwing the garbage on the in the water, then water gets polluted, so that should be avoided. If smoke is emitting from the industry, then it is also affecting our environment. So it is the responsibility of the business that it should protect the environment from all type of pollution. Second one is to provide more employment opportunities. Yes, it is also responsibility of business that it should provide more business more employment opportunities to the citizen of India, so that the biggest problem of the India, that is unemployment, that can be solved. After that, to promote national integration, it is also responsibility of business that it should promote national integration. Integration means unity. After that, to bring improvement in the local area where the plant is located by providing amenities such as drinking water, electricity, dispensaries. ठीक है. अब बेटा जहाँ पर भी इंडस्ट्री या प्लांट एस्टेब्लिश है, वो पर्टिकुलर एरिया में इम्प्रूवमेंट लाना, इट इज़ ऑल्सो द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द बिजनेस. अब वो इम्प्रूवमेंट, वो जो ग्रोथ है उस एरिया की, वो हाउ इट कैन बी ग्रोन. सो amenities like water facilities, electricity facilities, medical facilities, these all facilities should be available in that area in which the plant is located. After that, to help the weaker section of the society, whatever section of the society is weak, like financially weak or in any other form of weak, it is the responsibility of the business that it should help that weaker section of the society, so that they can also get support and grow. After that, providing economic stability, it is also a responsibility of business that it should provide economic stability. Economic stability means there should not be the condition of inflation, deflation. Clear? You know what is the meaning of inflation and deflation, we already discussed about it. So there should be stability in the economy, and to preserve social and cultural values, and all the social and cultural values should be preserved. क्लियर बेटा? जो भी हमारे सोसाइटी के कल्चर है, जो भी हमारा सोशल वैल्यू है, वो सारी की सारी प्रिजर्व रहना चाहिए. सो दीज आर सम responsibility of business towards the community.